What is Theta? Do you believe that the world requires a decentralized broadcasting alternative to YouTube or Twitch? Theta could be it, and we're going to learn about this interesting project in this episode. Hello and welcome to Crypto Lessons, one of the fastest growing YouTube channels for crypto education. We've quickly grown to over 1,000 subscribers, so if you're new here, consider subscribing as well. Here we explain topics of cryptocurrency, NFTs, blockchain, and the Metaverse from an educational perspective, using analogies, stories, and examples with whiteboard animations so you can easily understand them. In this video, we're going to explain what Theta is and who created it, the functions of Theta, where to buy it, the difference between Theta Crypto and TFUEL, and what my thoughts are on it. What is Theta Crypto? Theta Network is a blockchain network with the goal of providing a decentralized video streaming infrastructure. Theta hopes to transform how streaming giants like YouTube and Twitch distribute their content to the world with its innovative peer-to-peer network. Theta, contrary to popular misconception, is not a competitor to YouTube. Rather, it attempts to reduce operational expenses and provide a better video streaming infrastructure. Traditional video streaming infrastructures make use of numerous servers located all over the world. These servers offer content to users in a timely and effective manner. This entire system is referred to as a content delivery network, or CDN. The issue with CDNs is that they're fairly pricey. CDN service providers often charge based on the amount of data utilized. Essentially, as a video streaming site rises in popularity, so does its operating expense. Theta offers a novel and creative answer to this challenge. It lessens the pressure on CDNs by offloading some of the load to its peer-to-peer network. It allows its many users all over the world to relay videos by leveraging their spare bandwidth and computing resources. These users are then compensated for their network contributions. Who created Theta? The network's parent firm is known as Theta Labs. Mitch Liu and G.A. Long launched it in 2017. Mitch Liu is an entrepreneur who has previously co-founded firms in internet advertising and mobile gaming. G.A. Long, on the other hand, is a virtual reality video streaming expert. Initially, 30% of the total Theta coin was available for purchase in a private token sale. This raised approximately $20 million for the network's initial development. Theta Labs has its own streaming service, Theta TV, in addition to the Theta network. This website rewards its users with a token known as TFUEL in exchange for watching video content. Theta functions. As previously stated, the Theta network uses a peer-to-peer protocol that allows users to be paid for their contributions to the network. In this sense, user contributions can be classified into three categories: enterprise validator nodes, guardian nodes, and edge nodes. Enterprise validator nodes are often in large corporations that stake Theta tokens in order to process and validate network transactions. These nodes serve as the network's initial line of defense, ensuring its security. Sony, Google, Talent Shop, and Samsung are some notable enterprise validator nodes. The user must stake 1 million Theta tokens to become an enterprise validator node. Guardian nodes are community nodes that serve as a second line of defense. These nodes are in charge of ensuring validation at preset points in order to preserve consensus. They also ensure that the blocks generated by validator nodes are correct. This means that if a malicious block passes undetected past the validator nodes, it will be detected by the guardian nodes. A user must stake 1,000 Theta tokens in order to become a guardian node. Finally, edge nodes are in charge of relaying video streams and sharing bandwidth, making the entire video streaming process considerably more efficient. TFUEL is given to the edge nodes in exchange for their extra bandwidth and computational capacity. This enables the network to stream peer-to-peer, obviating the requirement for a CDN. What's the difference between Theta coin and TFUEL? Unlike standard blockchains, which typically contain only one native token, Theta has two native tokens, each with its own use and purpose. Theta and TFUEL are the names of these two. Theta is used to manage the network's governance. Users can stake their tokens in order to become network validators. To become a guardian node, a user must stake at least 1,000 tokens and 1 million tokens to become an enterprise-level validator. In addition, users can stake Theta in order to gain TFUEL. Theta's supply is limited to 1 billion tokens. TFUEL serves the same purpose in the network as gas does on the Ethereum network. TFUEL tokens can be used to compensate node relayers for distributing unique content. It can also be used to interface with Theta blockchain smart contracts. TFUEL is also given as a reward to individuals who watch videos on Theta TV. TFUEL was initially worth $5 billion when it was released alongside the Theta mainnet. It does, however, have a fixed 5% inflation rate, which implies that the amount of TFUEL is increased by 5% per year. Theta investments. In terms of backing and funding, Theta is one of the market's most prominent initiatives. It has the support of industry titans such as Samsung and Sony. It's supported by its investors, which include the Sony Innovation Fund and other venture capital businesses. These companies are mostly in charge of running validator nodes on the THETA blockchain. These venture capital firms have also just announced that they will invest $100 million in tokens. THETA also has an outstanding roster of investors, including Steve Chen, co-founder of YouTube. Other advisors include Twitch co-founder Justin Kan and Rakuten Viki's Jonathan Wong. THETA Labs was granted 3 patents by the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. These patents cover data streaming via a decentralized network. Where can THETA crypto be purchased? THETA coin may be purchased using the KuCoin exchange in the same way that any other cryptocurrency can. You have the option of placing a market buy or a limit buy. You select the price you're willing to pay with a limit purchase, and your order is filled once the token price hits your limit price. Or if you need the token urgently, you can place a market order in which you agree to pay the current price and have your order filled almost instantly. If you want to purchase THETA, you can do so at KuCoin or Binance.us. So what are my thoughts? The fundamental issue with the THETA network is that it requires a large number of users to function properly. Until and unless this platform is widely adopted and a large number of people elect to become nodes, it will be unable to deliver on its promises. Essentially, this means that the greater the number of users on the network, the greater the speed and performance of the entire network. Another serious issue with the network is that it's attempting to extend into other domains such as dApps and NFTs. While this may be beneficial to the general network, it may have a detrimental influence on their streaming services due to network congestion. A recent notable setback was the delay in the launch of Mainnet 3.0, which prompted a drop in the price of the token. I hope you got value from this video and learned something new about THETA. If you're new here, consider subscribing to Crypto Lessons. So I'm curious, what are your thoughts on THETA and TFUEL? Leave a comment below, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.